I decided to practice law to help folks in my community that are dealing with some of the common life hardships like bankruptcy, divorce, and workers' compensation. It's normal to be afraid of what we don't understand. Whether it's a medical emergency or a legal crisis, these types of events tend to happen very quickly, and so a person is thrust into a situation they're not familiar with and come into contact with professionals whom they don't know that are giving them advice on what to do about the situation. Trust of that professional is essential. If you don't trust that person, you won't feel comfortable with the decisions you make. Choosing a lawyer is different than choosing a medical professional. If you have an accident or need immediate medical attention, you may end up in an emergency room talking with an emergency room physician. You won't have the time to meet 2 or 3 physicians, speak with them to find out if you feel comfortable working with them, and to learn more about their background. You probably won't even remember their name at the end of the visit. You have the luxury of choosing the lawyer you would like to work with. At Konstantilakis Law, we offer free consultations where you'll be given a chance to speak with me directly, either by phone or in person. You'll have an opportunity to ask questions and to receive information from me at no cost and without an obligation. I'll evaluate your situation and provide you with options and an estimate of costs. As a young man, I served in the U.S. Army. After returning home from my military service, I attended college at a small university in Vermont and eventually completed my bachelor degree in criminal justice at Salem State College. After college, I attended Suffolk University Law School, where I received my Juris Doctorate and eventually passed the Massachusetts bar exam and began practicing law. I've always challenged myself to do better, to set my own goals and to beat them. This led me to, in 2010, open my own law practice that I could manage in a way that I felt was accessible and convenient to the consumer. I take the responsibility that comes with being a legal counselor very seriously and strive to stop and speak to everyone seeking my advice in a way that is genuine. I empathize with the consumer situation of having to trust, essentially, a stranger with the intimate details of a financial hardship, failed marriage, or workplace accident that should have never happened. I hope you feel comfortable enough to contact me directly to talk about a legal problem you are currently facing.